This video is about getting rid of livepdfsearch.com, a browser hijacker that is designed to hijack the default search engine. Unfortunately, people are often installing this hijacker unintentionally, and this is the reason why it is also classified as a potentially unwanted program. It is very dangerous to keep this hijacker active. What it does is it changes your default search engine, so when submitting some search queries through Google search, you notice that the results are somehow redirected through unfamiliar search engine. The search engine may be changed to Bing, to Yahoo, or to something else, but this still doesn't legalize the presence of livepdfsearch.com in your browser. If you are not satisfied with such amendments of your search preferences, you need to go to the menu, click on More Tools and then Extensions. Look for suspicious extensions that you may find here. If you find something suspicious, you may disable the extension and remove it completely. Finally, I believe that scanning your Mac with the reliable security software is extremely important. You may do that with the reliable antivirus called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded, it will update the antivirus database, and you'll need to click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the research of your device. Remember that initially the program is in the trial mode, however it has got some absolutely free features, that is cleaner big files and duplicates. The antivirus is the part of the premium license only. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically, however this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.